Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your headphones House of Marley Positive Vibration XL. So to enable or disable it, at the left ear cup we have a special button for it. It's called because of monitor mode, but it's actually transparency mode. To enable it, you need to press one time at this button and you will hear voice prompt that ambient on. To disable, you have two options, or you can press on it again and you will disable, you will hear ambient off, or you can swap to ANC. So if you enable ANC, it automatically disabled your transparency mode and it enabled ANC. So you just press on it and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!